Recruiters love this resume format.
Name, contact information, make sure your LinkedIn profile URL is there, summary, professional experience, company name, education, certification, extracurricular. So this is the resume format you will use to land your next great opportunity. Will make your life a lot easier. Let's talk through it step by step, each section. First, very, very, very important. In the beginning, of course, state your name and also have your contact information. I sometimes see professionals, great professionals, they just forget to put the phone number, their email, where they're located. Super important, because if you submit your resume, you have no information, it's going to be hard for the hiring manager, the recruiter to contact you quickly. Now, also my recommendation, hopefully you've optimized your LinkedIn profile. If not, I have quite a few videos that you can go through. Include your LinkedIn profile URL. This is really, really important. Hiring companies are asking for this now. It's important that you have one. It's optimized. It looks professional. It really makes you look like that great candidate, the top 1% candidate. You really need that LinkedIn profile. Within the summary, this is what I recommend and what I've seen work very, very well with professionals that I've assisted. I've assisted thousands of professionals throughout 15 plus years of my recruiting experience. You want to include 2 sentences that explain your career aspirations, ensuring to align your background to the job that you are applying for. Now, within this summary, remember, we want to provide clarity. We don't want to provide confusion. So in this quick summary, you want to ensure that you're targeting the exact role that the company's hiring for, and that you have the skill set required. Ensure you always double check your resume, whether it's formatting, grammar, spelling. If you have less than 10 years of experience, not including your internships or any part-time work that you've done, then try to stay within 1 page. That length is most appropriate. If you have above 10 years of experience, again, full-time experience, not including internships, not including part-time, then you have more flexibility to go to 2 pages. 20 plus years of experience, 3 pages is also reasonable. Really depends on your skill set, your experience. You have to assess. But typically, less than 10 years full-time experience, 1 page should be enough. Ensure that you are incorporating keywords in your resume. What do I mean by this? When you're looking at the job that you are applying for, the person that wrote that job description is writing it for a reason. They want to ensure that those words they're putting in the job description, they are seeing on a resume. So when they go to review your resume, they want to ensure alignment, that you have that skill set that they are looking for, both technically and personally, from the intangible side. Make sure that you avoid using graduation years on your resume to minimize the likelihood that you will be a victim of ageism. That is a really, really big one. Another one is, don't have all of your experience on your resume. If you have 20 plus years of experience, be selective with which roles that you put on the resume. Eliminate those that were early on in your career. They can always be brought up in the interview process, but is it really that important to include the first job that you held in your career? No. And it's not a requirement either. Your resume does not have to have everything. So let's minimize what's on there to help combat ageism. What not to do on your resume. Don't include pictures, don't include paragraphs. Don't include language that doesn't speak the language of the hiring company. Basically, you do not want to cause confusion, because if there is a part in your resume that is causing confusion, that hiring manager, that recruiter, your potential boss can quickly skip over your resume if it is causing confusion. You are showing your communication skills through your resume, and no one wants someone to come and sit and go on in any business. Hiring companies and recruiters, they may have 20 to 30 seconds to review your resume. If they don't see direct alignment with the job that they are hiring for, it's going to make it so hard for them to keep reading or reach out to you.